Hi guys. Today I'm just showing you how I take care of my braids and keep my hair moisturized while I'm in this protective style. So here I'm just removing my bonnet. Gotta put my glasses on, can't see. So I'm taking down these twists. The last time I moisturized and sealed my hair was 2 days ago. So every 2 days I moisturize and seal my hair. This is just leave-in conditioner, water, and my hair oil. So I take this spray mix and I spray it throughout my hair. I don't always spray it on my scalp, but sometimes I do, and that actually, puts water on your scalp, and then you seal it with your oil. So I spray all throughout the braids. I don't oversaturate them, but I do make sure I saturate them pretty good, because you have to remember you're also moisturizing and sealing the weave. So you don't want to put too little that it doesn't actually get through to your hair. So you want to put a good bit so it actually does penetrate through to your actual hair while it's in these braids. So I just spray from root to tip because the actual braids are pretty much the same length as my hair. People would always ask me, why do I stretch my eyes? I never knew what they were talking about until I watched this video getting ready to edit. I'm like, what am I doing with my eyes? So I've done some crazy things with my eyes as it pertains to like dealing with the back of my hair is when I noticed that I would do it. I have no idea what that is, but whatever. Okay, so now I finished spraying with the water mixture, and now I'm just gonna apply my oil to my scalp, all throughout my scalp. And it may look like I'm actually applying a lot, but I'm not. The nozzle on this bottle has a calibrator where you can let a lot flow out or a little bit. So mine is calibrated low, so it's not much coming out while I'm squeezing it throughout my hair. But my hair absolutely loves this oil. It soaks it up. It absolutely loves it. And that's the good thing about these applicator bottles. You can actually apply them directly to your scalp. The shampoo and conditioner that I make also have these nozzles where you can apply it directly to your scalp. See, I did it again with my eyes. I don't know. That looks so crazy. It's like, why are you stretching? Look, it's so crazy. I don't know. Okay, so I've applied it to my scalp. Now I'm just kind of rubbing it through lightly. I felt some dry areas in there. So I just kind of rub it in, and braids are kind of itchy, so it felt really good to be rubbing throughout those braids. Now I just want to put some on the front of my hair in these parts. Okay, and rub that in. Now I just apply a good bit to the palm of my hands and actually seal the moisture into the braids. And you want to twist and, actually work that oil and moisture into the hair. And I did 3 sections with this just to ensure all of my hair is getting moisturized. And then I proceed to twist my hair back into its style for the day. And I pin them back. And I clip the hair in place. Oh God, that's so crazy. And that's it, guys. That's pretty much all I do. And like I said, every 2 to 3 days is how often I moisturize and seal. Thanks so much for watching.